Is my screen clearly visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Thank you. Good morning. Children, please send your work timely. Please, I request you all to send your work timely because I have checked many of you have not sent me. Please send your work, revision work as well as your maths work timely. Okay? You will promise me that you will send your work timely? Okay.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done it. I will send you today.
Yeah, please send your work
Ma'am,
on
I
time.
sent it yesterday only.
I'm telling to the students those who have not sent. Okay. So I will wait one more minute, then I will start the class. Please be ready. Open your notebooks. Write the topic which I'm writing here on the board. Children, as
In
you all
our
know that we
maths notebook.
no Hindi notebook, Aradhya. Maths notebook, Aradhya. You always ask ma'am which notebook, revision or maths. Children, as I have already instructed that when you are doing new topic will be in the maths notebook. When you are doing the repetition of any topic, then in the revision notebook. So always don't ask Aradhya, put it in your mind now. Maths notebook because it's a new topic, not in the revision. It is not a revision. Open your maths notebook, Tej Kumar. Yes. Turn on your camera, Jigar Singh. Because we are doing new topic today. Now listen, children, as you all know that we have done many concepts related to the time, how to see the time, how to read the clock, how to put the hands on the clock, and then conversion of time, then converting 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time, and 24 vice versa means 24 clock time to Aradhya, please stop doing this. 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Then we have learned AM and PM, when to use AM and when to use PM. Yes. Then we have done manufacturing and expiry date of products. Then we have done timeline. Then we have done calculating the number of days. If you think, no, we have done many things in the time. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? We have done many concepts in the
And
time. Now,
calculator. Yes.
yes, we
Ma'am,
have done
calendar.
calendar also. We have done not calculator, Aradhya. It's calendar. So many concepts we have clear in the past classes. Now one more concept, which is the last concept of your time, addition and subtraction of time. Okay. So write the heading addition and addition of time. If suppose I tell you what is 2 hours, add 2 hours, 15 minutes.
4 hours.
2 hours, 15 minutes is 4 hours. Who is giving me the answer before completing the question?
Ma'am, Anai Nair.
Kashvi, I request you come to the class. And Kashvi, really, you're not following the class rules. Where are you? Yes. Please follow the class rules always. Kashvi, I'm talking to you. You attend the
Ma'am,
class.
my
I request
mother
you.
want my mother want the phone for 1 second, so I gave to her.
Okay. Because many times I've noticed sometimes you eat in the classroom, sometimes you're not paying attention in the class, sometimes you're moving. So please, I request you to follow the class rules. Next, Viva, Nishwa, turn on your camera, please. Suppose if I tell you 2 hours, 15 minutes and add in this 3 hours, 25 minutes. So what will be the
Ma'am,
answer?
like to add.
You need to add. You need to make the hours and minutes column and you need to add. Children, I,
Ma'am,
I mm, yes.
ma'am, I send 40 minutes.
Yes, Tej Kumar is excellent. Then Aradhya, what you want to tell me?
Ma'am, I'm saying that we have written it 2, 3 hours, 15 minutes. Like we have to
This
write
is
in the.
one group. Yes, you have to write in the notebook. This is one group. This is another group. Now you need to add them.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we
Vedant, what is your
write the
query?
2 hours, 15 minutes plus 3 hours, 25 minutes, and then we have to make the 5 hours. 5 hours, 40 minutes.
Vishrut and Dhyamoksh, Vedant, students, please give me time to explain you. Then you give the answers. Vedant, any query? You raise your hand.
No, ma'am, by mistake.
Okay. Now listen here. First, you make the hours column and make the minutes column. Children, I was explaining you the same thing. In addition, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि whether you write 2 hours 15 minutes first or 3 hours 25 minutes first. But always I suggest you to write the bigger group first. Which is the bigger group? In addition, 3 plus 2 is also 5 and 2 plus 3 is also 5. So there is no big difference in the addition. But always keep a habit of writing the bigger group first, because when you do subtraction, वहां आप confuse हो जाओगे. Got it everyone? So which group will come first when you add?
3 hours. 3 hours, 25 minutes. 3 hours, 25 minutes. Then 2 hours, 50 minutes. 25 minutes.
3 hours के साथ 25 minutes ही उसका friend है, तो that only will go along with it. Then is 2 hours, 15 minutes is the friend of 2 hours. Now simply add the way you add.
Now
5
5
plus
minutes,
5 is
40 hours. Allah.
5
hours,
hours.
40 minutes. 5 hours, 40 minutes.
Right. Fast.
40 minutes.
Very
40 minutes.
excellent. Write it in the notebook.
Same only. First we write 3 or 2. Its answer will be same only.
Answer will be same as I told you. No, in addition, you will not find much difference. You will not find any difference. But when you do subtraction, वहाँ आपको problem होगी. So better always keep a habit of writing the bigger group first.
Hello, ma'am. Like this, no?
Yes, Granth, I can pin Granth and Moksha. They are writing and showing me. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
very good. This way you do it. Can I erase it?
Ma'am, can you see mine? No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Vedant, show me.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, Vedant. But Vedant, try to improve your handwriting.
Ma'am, Manya.
Yes, Manya. Let me pin you.
Ma'am. Ma'am, see, this is right.
Yes. Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, can I erase it? Bhavya Sagar, I think you're not writing. Rajiv Nakhre, I think you're not writing. Kevyan, I think you're not writing, bacha. Done?
Ma'am,
If you're done, then excellent. Yes, Bhavya, very good. Now, Rajiv Nakhre, can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
You can erase.
Nishwa, can I erase?
Yes.
Jan Patel, can I erase?
Yes.
Okay. Very good, Aradhya. Now I am erasing it. And I will give you another situation in the addition only. Write the next sum. Number 2. 5 hours. Wait. 5 hours, 35 minutes. And the next is 15 hours, 45 minutes. Children, what do you think? How we have to solve it? Please solve and tell me the answer. Then I will tell you what to do. Suchi, I think you're not writing, bacha. Nishwa, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, answer is 20 hours and 80 minutes.
He is telling 15 hours and then 45 minutes and then 5 hours, then 35 minutes.
20 hours 80 minutes.
You are telling 80 for 80
Ma'am, 20
minutes.
hours and 80 minutes.
Yes.
20 hours 80 minutes.
And this is 20 hours and you are telling 80 minutes. Yes, students.
Ma'am,
So
the
children,
exact time
now
will be Ma'am, the exact time will be 11 hours and 20 minutes.
now I will tell you what is the difference here. Now children, you said 20 hours 80 minutes. 80 minutes कभी देखे हैं आपने? So
No,
what
ma'am.
we will do here,
Ma'am, 20 minutes. Ma'am, we will minus.
we will subtract the 60 minutes. If you will see, the minute column is 60 or more than 60. या तो 60 या 60 से ज्यादा अगर मिनट्स कॉलम है, then you subtract the 60 minutes from the minutes column and add the 60 minute into the into the hours column. When minutes go in,
Ma'am, network issue. Ma'am, you are stuck. Ma'am has network issue.
yeah, I got stuck, I think. Now I'm clear. Now I'm audible to you all.
Ma'am, but you Ma'am, it's blur. Your screen is blur.
Wait a minute. Let me check.
Ma'am, you
Now
on
please.
and off your camera.
Now check please.
Ma'am, it's clear. Perfect.
It's perfect now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. 20 hours and 80 minutes. Ma'am, now minus 60.
Moksha, let me explain you. Then I'll give you instruction to write. Okay. And please always speak in the softer voice. I can listen very quickly. Okay. I speak in a louder voice because I need to explain you all. But I am expecting speak softly. Okay, because I can recognize each and every child voice and I can easily see which child is speaking. Okay. So here 15 hours 45 minutes, 5 hours 35 minutes, it makes the 80 minutes. Now we convert the we minus the 60 minutes from here. Why we are subtracting the 60 minutes from here? Because 60 minutes we can convert it into the hour. When 60 minutes go to the hour, it makes the 1 hour, and 1 hour we can add it here. So we subtract 60 from here. Now it will become 20 minutes here. And when we add here, this will become 16 hours plus 5 hours. So this will become 21 hours. So the answer is 21 hours, 21 hours, 20 minutes. This concept is clear to you all, that why are we subtracting 60 from here? Because we need to convert the 60 minutes into the hours. आप किसी को क्या बोलोगे? 15 hours. Somebody was speaking. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Why it is 21?
Because when you have taken 1 hour from the minutes column, you have subtracted from 60 here, right?
Yes.
और इसमें से 60 जब आपने subtract किए, तो you have converted here into the hours.
Okay, ma'am.
So 15 plus 1 is the 16 hours plus 5 hours is 21 hours.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm a little bit confused in this. You can explain one more time.
See, when your minute column is coming more than 60, then in that 60 or more than 60, अगर 60 भी होता है यहाँ पर, तब भी हम उसमें से 60 माइनस, बिकॉज 60 मिनट्स में से 60 मिनट्स माइनस करना पॉसिबल है. बट अगर यहाँ पे 59 होता तो हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. We will not subtract anything. But if it is minutes are coming more than 60 or 60, we will subtract the 60 minutes from here and convert it into the hours. Right? So when you subtract 60 minutes from here, it will convert into the 1 hour here. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. So 1 hour यहाँ पे hours column में add हो जाएगा. Clear? Clear, Aradhya? This situation
ma'am.
only will happen when your minutes is coming 60 or more than 60. If it is less than 60, कुछ नहीं करना है, simply add करना है. Got it? I
Ma'am, in
think
hours also we have to minus.
yes.
In hours also.
In hours also, why we minus? In hours too we will adding, no?
In hours there is more than 24, then we will minus or not.
Hours तो कितने भी हो सकते हैं, नहीं hours में हमें subtract नहीं करना है. Hours can be any number of hours, no? 23, 24. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Only from the minutes column. Can I erase?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Second one.
First Moksh, then Vivaan Dobaria. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, we have to write 80 and then minus it with 60.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, we have to do like this, the second one.
Let me pin you.
This one we have to do like.
Yes, then final answer at the last you write 24 hours, 20 minutes. Because of the
Ma'am,
open each other.
I have written here 21.
It's written. Yeah, then write at the last line also in this way, the way I have written. Can you all check my board?
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes.
Me, ma'am.
Now, first,
Right here, 21 and 20 minutes.
21 hours, 20 minutes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Danya.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have gone to doctor because in my throat I have got infection, so I have gone to doctor's place. So what are we doing now?
Data, we are doing addition and subtraction of time. I have started with the addition. So you do one thing, you send me the mail, I'll send you the recording.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, don't erase.
Students fast.
Ma'am, now you can erase. Ma'am, see. Ma'am, your mic is off. Ma'am, now you can erase.
Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write the third sum in the same addition and addition only. Now it comes to minutes and second. Minutes. Sorry. 12 minutes. I'm writing the short form of minutes. 12 minutes, 25 seconds. 5 minutes, 40 seconds. It is same like hours and minutes. Because in seconds also, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So in seconds also, if it is more than 60 or 60, subtract the 60 from the seconds and do this sum and write the answer in the chat box, students. Because it's same like the previous sum. 12 minutes, 25 seconds, 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Add them. It is plus. But if it is more than 60, then you are subtracting from the minutes and converting into the hours. First, you plus the way you do the simple plus.
Seven.
Kumar, until I not call your name, you will not speak. I will call your name. I need to give chance to every child. Yes, Bhavya Sagar. Bhavya, when we add the seconds, what will come? 5 plus 0 is
5.
5 and 2 plus 4 is
6.
6. Children, always remember 12 के साथ जो उसका friend है 25 will only go along with it. Don't mix कि 12 के साथ 40 को लिख दो और 5 के साथ 25 को. It will be wrong. The friend of 12 minutes is the 25 will always go together, and the friend of 5 minutes is 40 will all go together. We cannot interchange the minutes and the... Now, see here, if you add it, now what you have noticed here, Viva, what you have noticed here that you have, when you added 60 seconds and you got 65, what you can do in this? $65, which is more than 60, can we convert them into the minutes now? Vishrut, have you understood this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please explain me what I have to do next?
Ma'am, you will subtract 65 into 60.
Please mute yourself, some voice is coming. From 65, we subtract 60, then we get the 5 seconds here. And when you have subtracted 60 seconds from here, we'll convert it into the minutes as the 1 minute. So now 13 plus 5.
18 minutes. 18.
So it will be 18 minutes and 5 seconds will be the answer. If you do 17 minutes and 65 seconds, your answer will be wrong. Conversion करना बहुत जरूरी है. Seconds convert into the minutes, and when seconds convert into the minutes, you subtract 60 from here. And when you are subtracting, when the total is coming 60 or more than 60. Am I clear? Yes, Vishrut, you want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Jigar Singh, Danya, your hand is raised. Moksha, your hand is raised. You want to ask something?
Ma'am, my hand was raised for the answer.
Okay. Clear everyone how to solve this? And at the last, you please write 8 minutes, 5 seconds.
Ma'am, don't do it. Ma'am, but I don't have written 8 minutes.
Last.
The second one also.
You write the final answer in the one single line. Please do fast, then we start the subtraction.
Ma'am, but I don't have space to write. Done, ma'am.
Then it's okay. You can write side also if there is a space.
Done, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am?
Yes.
See.
Yes, Aradhya. Show me. You put it little up. Can I start the next topic now? Next subtraction?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any confusion till here to any child? Please ask.
No, ma'am.
Because addition and subtraction are almost similar. Can I move now next to subtraction?
Yes, ma'am. And we have to write subtraction of time.
Yeah, give the heading subtraction of time.
Ma'am, I have written the third one. I have too much place, so I can write subtraction.
Yeah, down from down also you can write. Give the heading.
Okay.
Write the sum number 1. 2 hours, 5 minutes from 11 hours, 20 minutes. In subtraction. That's why I told you, subtraction is only possible when you write the bigger number first. When you go in the higher grades, then you can learn that subtraction is also possible from the smaller number. How it is possible? The value will come in the minus. But till grade 5, you only please keep a note that in subtraction is possible only from the bigger number. So which group we will write first? First you make the hours
11
and minutes
hours
column.
11 hours and 20 minutes. 11 hours and 20 minutes.
Next, what I will write?
2
2
hours
hours.
and 2 hours and 5 minutes.
So I can write 05 because nothing is here. So it 05 minutes.
Yes, ma'am, we have to write.
Now I can subtract it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 20 minus 5 or 10, it will become 10 or it will become 1. 10 minus 5 is what? Dhyan Patel?
10 minus 5 is 5.
Yes, please give the answers. Granth, Dhyan Patel, if I'm calling your name, you please give the answers.
15 minutes.
10 minus 5 is 5, but 1 minus 0 is 1.
1 minus 0 is 1.
And now 11 minus, or you can make it 11. 1 minus 2 is not possible, make it 11. This will become 0. 11 minus 2 is
Ma'am, 9. 9.
9. So what is your answer? 9 hours.
15 minutes. 15 minutes.
ये तो था सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन, जैसे आप सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं वैसा सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन. और नाउ द सिचुएशन विल कम डिफरेंट. Wait a minute, let me check. Students, please check my screen is coming blurred.
No, ma'am, your screen is clear. Ma'am, your screen is clear. No, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Dhyan Patel, please go and come fast. This is the simple subtraction, the way you do the subtraction, जैसे आप subtraction करते हैं. Now comes the subtraction, which will be little different. So
Ma'am,
that,
don't erase my left.
yeah, please complete. I'm
The
not erasing.
question is left.
I'm not erasing. Complete it fast.
Okay. Ma'am, to have written hours, we have cutted. I don't write the small numbers because I don't have space.
What?
It's okay. I don't do the small right word and do that. I don't do that. That directly I do. But don't write the number. It's okay.
I'm not understanding what you are trying to tell me.
Ma'am, he's saying that he's saying that he cannot write the carry.
Okay, okay. Can I erase now?
Yes. Ma'am, yes, ma'am, you can erase. Ma'am, in upgrade there will come not minus sign. It will come from that words.
Yes, it can come from also, and it can directly come subtract also. And from always means from the next number, from the bigger number, you need to subtract the smaller number. Next number, B sum. 7 hours, 20 minutes from 15 hours. Now you can see in the second group is only the hours, not the minutes. What you will do in this case, minutes में करने के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? Tell me, anyone knows? Because I can think everyone is brilliant.
Ma'am, we will write 2 zeros in the minute.
Yes, if nothing is in the minute column, we write the 2 zeros. So we write 15 first and nothing with the 15, so we write 2 zeros. Then we write 7 and then we write 20. Now this situation is also little different. Please pay attention and then write. First understand. Children, when it's a simple subtraction, तो आप क्या करते हैं? You start borrowing, है ना? What you do? You start borrowing because 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, if I do like I am doing in a simple, don't write anything. Pay attention here on the board because first I will do in the wrong way, then I will make you to correct way. So if you write along with me, you will write the wrong sum. So please pay attention here. First, I will solve it in a wrong way and I will tell you where the student make mistake. And that will be wrong. So don't copy. अगर आप साथ साथ copy करोगे means आप wrong sum copy कर रहे हो. So please look here on the board. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then what you do, you borrow from here. This you make 4 and this you make 10. And you do 10 minus 2 is 8. And then you do 4 minus 7 is not possible. Then you make it 14. And then you do it's 0. And 14 minus 7 is 7. You do the subtraction in this way?
Yes.
Yes or no? You start keeping borrowing? Taking borrowing? Yeah, that will be wrong in this time. Time में आपको इस तरीके से नहीं करना है borrow. अब कैसे करना है? Please look here. Now, when you see 0 minus 20 is not possible, so we borrow the 1 hour from the hours column. We complete borrow 1 hour. So if we are borrowing 1 hour, this will become 14. This will become 14 hours.
And the answer is 8.
Let me solve.
Ma'am, it is wrong.
It is wrong, Divit. So 15 में से 1 hour if we have taken, so this will become 14 hours. And if we have taken 1 hour from the hours column, so here it will become 60 minutes. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is easy to subtract from 60 minutes the 20. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. It is 40 minutes. And now 14 minus 7 is 7 hours. So the answer is 7 hours 40 minutes.
So ma'am, we have to not write 0. We can write direct 60.
Yeah, you are taking 1 hour. You don't write, you have to write 0 also first. Then cut it, then write 60.
Ma'am, we want to write now. Ma'am, now
Yes,
we can do.
now you can do. Understood this concept, what I am doing here? I am taking 1 hour from here. You don't do this simply subtraction the way you do. That will be wrong. You need to take the 1 hour and 1 hour when go to the minutes become the 60 minutes. Now it is possible to subtract. And then you subtract 1 hour from here, it will become 14. 14 minus 7 is 7 hours. 60 minus 20 is 40 minutes. Children, I have sent you a Google form based on addition and subtraction.
Ma'am, 2 worksheets you have.
Let me explain you first. Let me explain you. And never open the worksheets. First, you enter in the class, attend the class, teacher will instruct you, then open the worksheets. Before that, if you open the worksheet, you will create confusion for yourself. कि मैम ने ये क्या भेज दिया है, कराया ही नहीं है. I always send beforehand so that you should know what ma'am is going to teach us and what ma'am is going to give us. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
I have already posted one Google form based on addition and subtraction of time. What you will do, you will not click the, because here are the options given. आप जब तक करोगे नहीं तब तक आप correct option पे click नहीं कर पाओगे. So what you do all the sums in your maths notebook, then click the final answer in the Google form. And don't attach your notebook work.
Ma'am,
But I want everyone has to let me complete Aradhya, then speak. Because I am instructing something which is very important for everyone. Got it, students? So you solve all the questions in the notebook, then click the final answer in the Google form. Without doing, if you click the answer in the Google form, your answer will be maybe luckily right हो जाएगा, maybe wrong भी हो जाएगा. So
we have
not to avoid any to avoid confusions, you do first in the notebook and then click the final answer in the Google form.
we have to submit the notebook work also.
I have already instructed, don't submit the notebook work.
Ma'am, we can do in rough notebook.
Why not in the class notebook? Any confusion to do in the notebook, class notebook? No, na? So you do in the class notebook only, not in the rough notebook. Then next thing is next Google form. One more Google form I have sent you, that is based on the revision. And you all know that on 16 is your assessment. Start revising the chapter number 1, 2, and 3. The next Google form is based on the revision. So that also you need to solve it in the revision notebook, not in the maths notebook. It's revision, so solve it in the revision notebook. And then click the final answer in the Google form. If you don't do without solving, if you click the answers, maybe it get wrong also. So don't create confusion for yourself. Solve and then click. जजिंग नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पे कि हो सकता है ए बी में से ए राइट होगा बी राइट होगा. नो, until you will not solve, you will not able to give the answers. Am I clear? Both the Google forms are clear how to do it. One is the revision, one is the based on today's concept. And prepare yourself for your assessment. On Friday you have your assessment. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Bye,
yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.